Hey Rosebuds, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I do a little bit of lifestyle, fashion, health stuff, grocery haul, etc. So if it's your first time here, let it not be your last. So I'm a big believer in prepping. Do you prep? I mean, just for the week, prep your veggie, fruit, seasoning so that you can have an easier time in the week. If you do prepping, say it down in below, leave a comment down below. So today I went to the market and I just got a few stuff, and I'm going to tell you what I got and the prices. Okay, so I got pineapple. So pine is $100 per pound. Ripe banana 150 for ginger, half a pound of ginger. Tomato $100, sweet potato $120, $100 for that sweet pepper, $80, $100, cucumbers $50, $200 for onion, and some apple is $150 a dozen. As you can see, I just fill up the sink and just let them soak for a few minutes, and then I am going to be just washing them like so. Just wash off everything that I am going to be prepping. So, and then I'm just gonna catch back some fresh water, and I'm gonna start my So I've started to prep my pineapple. That's the first thing I'm starting with. And now I am onto my mangoes. It really makes my life easier during the week. Trust me. If you have not started prepping, try it out. Try it out and see. I'm telling you, you're gonna want to be doing it as often as you can. So I'm onto my tomatoes and my onions and my sweet pepper now. Tomatoes and my onions. I'm onto my tomatoes. Try to cut them as small as possible. Righty, so I'm onto my garlic. Because you know you have to have garlic in everything. So I'm done with my garlic, so I'm gonna wash my hands and move on to my ginger. Yes, I use ginger in my teas, in my smoothies. So thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.